In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get demo account on Quotex if you're new to online trading or just want a safe place to practice. A demo account is the perfect starting point. It lets you explore the platform, test strategies, and get comfortable with the interface using virtual funds, so there's no risk to your real money while you learn. Begin by opening your browser and heading to the official Quotex website. Make sure you're on the correct site by checking that the address bar shows a secure connection with the padlock icon. Once you land on the homepage, take a moment to look around so you're oriented. You'll typically see an option inviting you to try the platform without committing funds. Next, click on the button labeled Open Demo Account. This option is usually easy to spot near the top of the page or within the main call to action area. When you select it, the site will guide you to the trading interface or to a page where the demo experience is clearly highlighted. You don't need to worry about deposits or complex setup at this point. The goal is simply to access the practice environment. From there, choose the demo account option. This confirms that you want to enter the practice mode rather than a real money account. After you click, the trading terminal will load with a virtual balance, giving you a realistic feel for how orders, charts, and instruments behave on the platform. Once the demo interface appears, take a brief tour. You'll notice a live chart in the center, an asset list or market selector nearby, and controls for trade direction, amount, and duration. You can change chart types, adjust timeframes, and add indicators to analyze price movements. Because it's a demo, you can experiment freely to understand how everything works without financial risk. A couple of quick tips to make the most of it. Move slowly at first and focus on understanding the basics, like selecting an asset, reading the chart, and locating the controls before placing any practice trades. Try switching between markets to see how different assets move. If something looks unfamiliar,